Okay, now we'll go to this one, and then Python, then Python search this one. You have to open this one. Python, yes, already there. Yeah, here we can find such kind of interface, Python's in the interface. Then here we can put our programs here. So we can say we can assign 6. Then now we can say in this way print a in this manner, or we can say b assign as 8. Then sum equals to int of a uh, plus 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 int of b. Yes, b this one and these things. So sum or print the sum. In this manner, or we can take as lists, for example, fruits. Here are the lists that we have. Then the first one was just to let me say banana. Second one apple, then apple. The third one we can say the third element mango. Just assume we have this mango. Oh, mango. This ones. So here we can see fruits. I say this one. Or we can say for I in fruits, then print I in this manner. We can display, or we can say text, for example, text one, text, let's say text one assigns double quotes. This is the first Python's tutorial. You see, tutorial. This one, then text one, or we can display that in this way. Text one, text one. Yeah. Then this would be done in this manner. The comes from this one, from this commanders. This gives you the direction, or how much this programming language is very simple, very simple. That's why we'll call it easy to write and to read the codes, and most of the codes, the commands are related with English like statements, as you can from this one. So in this manner, we have to make an exercise. Thank you so much.